Hey everyone, I'm Sumod, and this is my very first off-road video. We are out here at Stave Lake Off-Road Trails in British Columbia, a place that's equal parts peaceful and unpredictable. I've done a lot of off-roading before, but on a motorcycle. My trusty old Himalayan, Royal Enfield Himalayan basically. This though is my first time taking a four-wheel beast off the pavement. And what a beast it is! The 2025 Bronco Big Bend with proper 7-speed manual transmission. Because, well, automatics are for coffee runs. If I'm going off road, I want to feel every single gear shift. Under the hood, it's got a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, packing plenty of torque to move the rocks, roots, and maybe even my confidence up a notch. The star of the show, though, is that legendary crawler gear, giving a crazy low 94.75 is to 1 crowd ratio. Just imagine. That means this thing can move slower than a toddler learning to walk, but with the strength of a tractor. The trail itself, not too hard. Honestly, it's perfect for beginners like me in the foreign world. The main route is now closed to the public, so we explored few side paths. Most of them don't lead anywhere, but hey, that's the fun, right? It's all about the drive, not the destination. Alongside me and my buddy, a Jeep Wrangler, because what's a Bronco video without a Jeep, right? A little friendly rivalry never hurts. You'll see us taking it easy, dodging branches, splashing through puddles, and yes, collecting a few battle scars along the way. Some paint scratches here and there, courtesy of the nature's autograph. But that's okay. Every scratch is a memory, and Bronco wears them like badges of honor. The Bronco's goat mods goes over every terrain or any terrain. I think any terrain really makes this shine. Flip a dial and it adjusts traction, throttle, and torque like it's reading your mind. The suspension smooth enough that your coffee stays up in the cup and your kid in the back won't even feel their snacks. The beauty of the Big Bend trim is tough enough when you need it, comfy when you don't, and totally family friendly. You can head out with your family, enjoy the drive, and still make home without feeling like your spine is realigned. I've got to say, this trail may not be challenging, but it's peaceful. There is something magical about driving through the forest with nothing but the sound of gravel and the wind and that turbo whistle from the Bronco. Stave doesn't need to lead anywhere. It is the kind of price that reminds you why you love driving in the first place. So yeah, this was my first off-road video. A small start, but a memorable one. I'm already hooked, and I can't wait to explore more trails around BC. If you're into scenic drives, family-friendly off-road adventures, or just want to see Bronco and a Jeep coexist peacefully, stick around. I got more coming. Oh, somebody's there. They are doing some grilling something. We got out of there without any issue. They moved their beast of truck, the F-150. We also spent some time in the lake. My let my daughter play on the water. Then we grilled some burgers. Had it. It was a really nice experience. I was scared that I might hit the doggy. Thankfully, he ran off. If you like the track and want to explore this one, just leave me a message in the comment section. I'll send you the details. It's available in Onyx Off-Road. It's a little app I use to explore trails in BC. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment, and let me know your favorite trail around Vancouver or BC. Until next time, this is Umar and the Bronco Big Bend signing off from Stave Like Off-Road Trails.